Good morning, students. Students, yesterday I told you two criteria of similarity of triangles, AA similarity and SSS similarity. Now today I am going to tell you the third criteria of similarity, SAS. According to this, if one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of the other and the side including these angles are proportion, then the triangles are similar. For example, student, you can see there are two triangles ABC and PQR. Angle B equals to angle Q, each 50 degree. AB is given 6 centimeter, BC is 8, PQ is 9 centimeter and QR is 12 centimeter. Now we are going to find the ratio of the sides including the angles. Now I am going to find out AB upon PQ. AB 6 centimeter, PQ 9 centimeter. Answer is 2 upon 3. Now students, BC upon QR. BC 8 centimeter, QR 12 centimeter. Its answer is also coming 2 upon 3. So we can see AB upon PQ equals to BC upon QR. Okay students, and the angle between them are also equal. Angle B equals to angle Q, each 50 degree. So by SAS criterion rule of similarity, both triangles are similar. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR by SAS similarity. Now students, we are going to take one by one theorem of similarity. So first theorem of similarity, students, if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then the triangles are similar. So these are two triangles, students, ABC and DEF. Angle A is given to is equals to angle D, angle B is equals to angle E, angle C equals to angle F. We have to prove triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. So students, there are three cases. We will take one by one to prove triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. First case, we are going to take AB equals to DE. So now students, if AB equals to DE, then in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, student, angle A equals to angle D given to us. It is given to us, student. AB equals to DE according to the case 1. Okay, student. Angle B equals to angle E is also given to us. So student, angle A equals to angle D, AB equals to DE and angle B equals to angle E. So both triangles are congruent. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. By ASA, angle side angle congruency criterion. So student, when triangles are congruent, then we know that triangles are similar. Then we can say triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, because we know that congruent triangles are always similar. Okay student. Case 2 we are going to take, student, if AB is smaller than DE. This AB is smaller than DE. Then what we can do, student? So we can do construction first. From triangle DEF, we will cut DP equals to AB and DQ equals to AC and join PQ. Okay students. Now students, how we can prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF? To prove this, we will take triangle ABC and triangle DPQ. You can see student, AB equals to DP by construction. Angle A equals to angle D given student. AC equal to DQ by construction. So triangle ABC similar to triangle DPQ by SAS congruency criterion. Then students, we can say when triangle ABC congruent to triangle DPQ, so we can say angle B equals to angle DPQ by CPCT corresponding parts of congruent triangles. But students, angle B also equals to angle E because this is given to us. So from angle B equals to angle DPQ and angle B equals to angle E, we can say angle DPQ equals to angle E. Angle DPQ equals to angle E, student. So these angles are corresponding angles. Therefore, PQ parallel to EF. When corresponding angles are equal, lines are parallel. So students, PQ parallel to EF. So we can use BPT. So we can write DP upon DE equals to DQ upon DF. Generally in BPT we are writing DP upon PE, DP upon QF, but we can write DP upon DE equals to DQ upon DF. It is known as by corollary of BPT. In BPT, if we add 1, then we can get this DP upon DE equals to DQ upon DF. Okay students, that's why it is known as by corollary of BPT. Okay students, now DP equals to AB and DQ equals to AC by construction. DP equals to AB and DQ equals to AC by construction, students. So at the place of DP we can write AB and the place of DQ we can write AC. So AB upon DE equals to AC upon DF. And student, angle A equals to angle D, it is given to us. So by SAS, side angle side, we can say both triangles are similar. Triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. By SAS similarity rule. Now student, case third, if AB greater than DE. Students, if AB greater than DE. So we have to draw one more diagram, students, in which we have to show AB is greater than DE. Now students, to prove these triangles are similar, we are going to do construction. In construction, we can cut AP from DE. We can cut AP equals to DE from AB and AQ equals to DF from AC. Join PQ. You can see we can cut AP from AB. AP equals to DE and AQ equals to DF and join PQ. Now students, in triangle APQ and triangle DEF, AP equals to DE by construction. Angle A equals to angle D given to us. AQ equals to DF by construction. Side angle side, we can say triangle APQ congruent to triangle DEF by SAS congruency criterion. When both triangles are congruent, then we can say angle P equals to angle E, angle APQ equals to angle DEF by CPCT. But students, angle B also equals to angle E, it is given to us. So we can say, students, from this equation and this equation, angle E will be cancelled. Angle APQ equals to angle B. Angle APQ equals to angle B. These angles are equal, students, but these angles are corresponding angles. So therefore, we can say PQ parallel to BC. When corresponding angles are equal, lines are parallel. When corresponding angles are equal, lines are parallel, students. Okay. So PQ parallel to BC. Now, student, again we are going to use corollary of BPT. I am going to write AB upon AP equals to AC upon AQ by corollary of BPT. AB upon AP equals to AC upon AQ. But AP equals to DE and AQ equals to DF by construction. So we can write AB upon DE. At the place of AP, DE will be there, and the place of AQ, DF will be there. So AB upon DE equals to AC upon DF. Okay, students, and angle A equals to angle D, it is given to us. So we have got here AB upon DE and AC upon DF, and angle A equals to angle D, it is given to us. So why we can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF by SAS similarity criterion. So students, you have seen in this theorem, three angles are given to equals to three angles of another triangle, and there are three cases. Case 1, AB equals to DE. Case 2, AB less than DE. Case 3, AB greater than DE. Okay, students? Okay then, students. Have a nice day.